What are the basic raw materials used in the production of silicon-based polymers? D4, D5, and D6 are those volatile cyclosiloxanes. Both D4 and D5 meet the criteria for both persistent and very persistent, as they are not readily biodegradable. They have a degradation half-life of 242 to 365 days at temperature between 12 to 24 degrees Celsius in fresh water. Bioaccumulation factor in D4 and D5 is more than 10,000 liter per kg, which makes it bioaccumulative and very bioaccumulative. Structurally similar to D4 and D5, D6 is also persistent and has the potential to bioaccumulate. Significant toxicity to invertebrates is also apparent in sediment organism studies, which concludes that D4 meets criteria for toxicity based on both aquatic and mammalian endpoints. Today, D4, D5, and D6 are considered substances of very high concern, according to the criteria set out in REACH Article 57. ECHA has put the limitation of these substances less than 0.1% weight by weight, meaning passing limit of 1000 ppm in the final product. We at Britasil Silicons Limited have achieved the standards set up by REACH, and we offer Crosil, Hydrosil 325, Ultrasil, and Sleeksil SQ. Crosil, which improves sewing properties offering fullness with a shiny finish, also imparts an excellent, smooth, and soft elastomeric hand feel. Hydrosil 325 and Ultrasil have good shear stability. They are compatible with optical brighteners and pigments. Ultrasil is best suited for exhaust machine. Hydrosil 325 is best suited for a high-speed stenter. Ultrasil is best recommended for trouble-free finishing of knits and towels. And Hydrosil 325 is best recommended for woven fabrics like bedsheets and shirting. Moving on, Sleeksil SQ. This product can be used for both white as well as dyed fabric and is stable to a high-speed stenter. Crosil, Ultrasil, Hydrosil 325, and Sleeksil SQ are stable for 6 months when properly stored in closed containers at 25 degrees Celsius. CF6 and CF8 are fluorinated water repellents used on wide scale on textile products due to their ability to repel water and oil and act as a stain release agent. PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid, and PFOS, perfluorooctane sulfonic acid, are raw materials used in production of CF6 and CF8. Their manufacturing and usage causes depletion of the ozone layer. But PFOA are bioaccumulative, persistent, and potentially toxic in the environment and carcinogenic to humans. PFOA causes damage to immune system in children, leading to an inability to respond to vaccines for tetanus and diphtheria. It compromises with female fertility, leading to delayed time to conception. PFOA may pose human health risk if it accumulates in drinking water at levels as less as 1 part per trillion, the equivalent of less than 1 teaspoon in 1,000 Olympic swimming pools worth of water. Britasil Silicons Limited presents an environmental-friendly solution called UltraGuard, which is a proprietary-based copolymer emulsion mainly used for finishing of 100% cotton fabric, creating no build-up on rollers, thus increasing durability and achieving a smoother finish. Similarly, Ultra Release is for stain release of stains like black coffee, ketchup, grape juice, turmeric, blood, coke, milk, and mud. UltraGuard and Ultra Release are stable for 12 months when properly stored in closed containers at 25 degrees Celsius. Associate yourself with Britasil Silicons Limited and take a step towards saving the environment.